Alright guys, I'm all set up. Just waiting for Jesse now. We're at their usual spot. But this is where we lost our license plates. Front license plates, because we were river crossing and somehow both of our plates fell off. So I'm gonna walk down the river now and we're gonna see if it's still there. So, all right, so we'll see. Hopefully there's still someone here. It's not very deep too now anyway. Last time we were here it was like up to the bumper, so right now it's only like a foot. Okay, yeah, it's up to my knees now. Look, oh, yowzy. Okay. Oh man, that sucks. And a lot of trash. I'm gonna be picking up those trash tomorrow before we leave. That's like our ritual here. Every time we see trash, we kind of look at this nasty. This is just straight trash, dude. That's unfortunate. Well, there goes the hunt for my plates. And I'll take a video tomorrow of us cleaning this up. That way you see, because it's crazy now. Before we used to go here a lot. And I'm pretty sure we're probably the only ones that clean this place up. See all that garbage over there? Dude, at least 2 bags. Look at that, this broken glass, dude. My kids play here. Insane. Not cool, guys, not cool. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Some more corn. Walla walla bang. Ooh, yeah. Perfect. Ayos. So, ito yung masarap yung taba. Woo! And the best chicken noodle soup. Perfect for a night like this. Not too cold, but it's pretty chilly.
White pepper talaga pang soup.
That's killer, bro.
Soup tsaka ano combination mo. Sa gabi, diba?
Paggabi, no? This is better than talaba, no? For sure, 100%. Malamig na yun, you know?
Yung weather, grabe talaga.
Ngayon actually, sakto lang. Not bad.
Ano, may hot chocolate pa nga ako din.
Tatay na ako na.
Yeah. So, sure.
Rascaldo pa ako kanina, bago ka dumating eh.
Nagluto ba si Stefan ng Scaldo?
Hindi, yung nasa cup.
Yung pang ano? Asian store.
Meron pa ako dun. Ng kabayan.
Dapat naglalagay ka na ng bumib. Mag-ano ka na ng itlog, bubul ka na lang po ng itlog.
Nakalimutan ko na kanina. Sarap yung pagsda dyan. Nakikita ko dun sa ano. Sa may bridge pag dito ka. Nakaupo ka lang. Dito ang higmata.
May hit na ba?
Yeah. It's perfect. Hindi siya yung sobrang mapapaso ka. Pack up na, no? At least tapos na. Alright guys, day 2. We're just packing up now, about to have some breakfast. We're gonna go drive around Mendocino National Forest up there and look for some future camp spots. So yeah, it'll be a fun day. Yeah.
Nararamdaman ko gabi para sumasakit yung joint ko.
Ano, yung pagkain, ubos, no?
Promising yung place na to. Gate na yan. Ito yung pangalawang gate, di ba?
Yeah, yung last na gate yun yung may packet na trail sa taas, di ba? Yung nag-turn tayo last time kasama sila, ano, tropa mo na isa.
Passenger.
Alright, that's a wrap, guys. That's it. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of like my first time talking on the camera like this, and yeah, it's been fun, man. You guys have a good one. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.